Here's problem 1 from the 2007 AMC 8. Teresa's parents have agreed to buy her tickets to see her favorite band if she spends an average of 10 hours per week helping around the house for 6 weeks. For the first 5 weeks, she helps for 8, 11, 7, 12, and 10 hours. How many hours must she work during the final week to earn the tickets? The choices are 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, figure out the total number of hours she needs. To average 10 hours per week over 6 weeks, she needs 6 times 10, which is 60 total hours. Next, add up the hours from the first 5 weeks. 8 plus 11 plus 7 plus 12 plus 10 equals 48 hours. Finally, subtract to find the last week. 60 hours minus 48 hours leaves 12 hours. So the answer is 12, which is choice D.